Hi, my name is Edith Edumo. I'm a sales representative for Seso Global. Seso Global is a one-stop shop for all your property needs, both for investment and commercial needs. We are currently at Avon Homes. Avon Homes is just around the Lekki axis, 3 minutes from the Lekki toll gates and about 35 minutes from the airport. Come with me as I take you around the property. Here we are at one of our best sellers, a 4-bedroom terrace that has 4 rooms, a guest room downstairs with a sitting area and then the kitchen. At the upper floor we have the 3 rooms. We also have a family lounge. You would love it. Do you want to see it? Come with me.
Welcome to Avon.
How are you doing today?
Very well, thank you. And by the way, you look so good.
Thank you. So what do we have here?
We have a 4-bedroom terrace here. This is our show home,
Okay.
prototype of what the project will look like. So Avon is one of the developers that actually have a prototype to show you what you'll be expecting, because we do strictly off plan.
Okay.
So this gives you an impression of what you should expect, what your home will look like, the finishing and all that. So I'll be taking you around on a tour. So this is the living room area.
Okay.
Our homes come all white painted without interior decor. So all that you see here, they are interior for the purpose of a show home.
Okay.
But it comes all white painted.
So the tiling on the floor, does it come like this?
So it comes with an elevated pebble house. This is actually one of the uniqueness of the living room.
Okay.
We have a coffee table here. This is actually not the dining. So here
So what do we have here?
The guest room.
Okay.
We have a guest room here and suite with wardrobes, with toilets and bathrooms.
Okay. And suite.
Yeah. Okay, so we have a main trunk here. It allows extra sunlight and fresh air into the house.
Wow, this is
be
perfect.
Used as a waterfall. Yeah.
Okay.
You might use it, you know, the atrium goes all the way up.
To the roof?
Yes.
Wow.
So that's what gives you the extra fresh air into the house. It gives you more lighting into the house. Like for instance, you want the whole lights off. And you know that moment, you just want
yes, everywhere calm and beautiful.
And you want fresh air.
Do you have lightings in here?
Yes. So it can be used as a green area. Or for a waterfall. Based on preference.
Oh, that's lovely.
Okay. So
wow.
Welcome to our kitchen. So our kitchen comes fully fitted, as you can see.
Lovely.
You have the extractor, that's the heat extractor.
Okay.
And then you have the cabinet, you have the granite top, you have the island.
I love the granite top.
Yeah, thank you. And then the dining is over there.
So this is like a prototype?
Yes, a prototype of what our kitchen looks like. But all our kitchen comes fully fitted.
That's lovely.
Yeah. Okay, so let me show you what the upper space looks like.
Okay, lovely.
Apart from having a general living room area, family lounge is a place for the family.
The family, like a private space.
Yeah, private space here. So we have a family lounge here, and then on this level, we have 3 rooms here. We have a room here.
Okay.
We have another room here. This is a kid's room.
Oh, okay.
The kids' room. The rooms are all en suite.
Wow, this is lovely.
So a girl child's room, maybe it's a preference, and then it's en suite, toilet and bathroom.
Okay.
Moving forward to the master bedroom.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, so this master bedroom is a double volume window. One of the uniqueness of Avon Home is the double volume window all the way up. So we have the wardrobe here, you have the bed, can be positioned to whichever you want.
So what do we have up here?
So that's the master bedroom gallery.
Okay.
Master bedroom is actually on 2 floors. We can go upstairs to take a look.
Okay, that would be lovely.
Can be used as a study, a closet, the gym area.
Oh, okay.
Already equipment here. So this takes us to the 10th floor. You know, we came in from the master bedroom.
Yes.
Level, and then now we are on the 10th floor.
So there are 2 connections.
Yeah, there's a door between the 10th floor and then the master bedroom gallery.
Okay. So we can come in from the 1st floor or come in from the master's bedroom?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the latter part of the atrium.
Okay.
Wherever I said the atrium will go all the way up.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then we have a room. It's a proper room actually.
Okay. Yeah.
So we have a terrace.
An open room, kind of.
A normal standard room. It is. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the tour.
Yes. At Seso Global, we got you anytime for your commercial properties or your investment properties or your residential properties, whatever it is, we got you. And we have smaller apartments, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, studio apartments for those of you that are big time investors. And don't forget, www.seso.global. Visit us today and you would not be disappointed.